Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie and this is Julie's Pastry Kitchen. Today we are going to learn about how to make donuts and here are our ingredients. So we have caster sugar, but you can also use normal sugar, yeast, margarine, warm milk, eggs and flour. So let's begin. Since we are using instant yeast, I'm going to add it directly to the flour. Mix that up. After it's mixed, I'm also going to add in the sugar. After mixing that, I'm also going to rub in the margarine. So the margarine has mixed in well, so I'm going to add in the eggs, just one by one. So now I'm going to add in the milk, the warm milk. Make sure it's warm. So our dough is ready. It's supposed to lift off and leave the basin clean. So now I'm going to use my paper. I'm going to put this towel on top and just give it like 30 to 40 minutes for it to proof so that we can go to the next step. It's been 1 hour and our dough is ready. Before I go on, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the red button down here, it's free. So let's get rolling it. So our dough doubled up in size. So now I'm going to just cut a chunk of it so that I can start rolling the first batch. So after rolling it, I'm going to use this lid. I use it to close my jug. So I just press on the dough like that. Then I'm going to use my nozzle to make a hole in the middle. Like so. I'm just going to place them. So it's time to deep fry them. So guys, our donuts are ready, and before we go on, don't forget to subscribe. The button is just down here. And please also try the recipe and comment down below and tell me the outcome. Until next time, bye!